how to recover disabled Instagram account. So first, go to your Instagram app, and then you can just tap on your profile here at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines here at the top right. And then scroll down. Look for help, this one. Tap on that. And then here, tap on Help Center. And then it'll show up something like this. And then you just need to search for disabled account. Okay. Now here, just tap on this one. Then scroll down. Look for, was this helpful? Tap on No. Then here, you just need to tap on what went wrong. Just select any of the answers here. So let's say I'm going to select this one and then tap on Select. Then here, I just need to tell them that you need help for your disabled account. And then you just need to submit it. And then just wait for them to get back to you, alright? So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.